Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Travel Eat Repeat. Today I'm going to share the Turkish chicken pasta recipe with you, and I'm sure this is going to become one of your favorite pasta recipes. So first we'll boil some water, and I've added 2 tablespoons of oil in it and some salt. This is the time to season your pasta. I'm using the shell pasta. This is 500 grams packet, so I'm going to use half of it, which is 250 grams. Add the pasta only when the water is boiling. Cook the pasta until it's fully cooked, but don't let it get overcooked. Once you can see that the pasta is cooked, save half cup of pasta water. This we are going to use later when we are making the sauce. Heat up a pan, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use normal oil as well, it doesn't matter. Add minced garlic. This is very important that you don't burn the garlic, don't let it get overcooked. Just stir for a few seconds, and then just add your chicken. This is boneless chicken breast. I've chopped it into small pieces. You have to cook the chicken until the chicken is has changed its color and it's light brown in color. Cook the chicken on high heat so it doesn't release any water. Once you can see that the chicken is light brown in color, this is the time to add your vegetables. I'm going to use green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, onions and broccoli. You can use whatever vegetables you can find very easily or are at your home already. Just stir fry the vegetables with the chicken for a few seconds. We don't want to get any color on the vegetables here. Just stir fry them for a minute or so, and then cover them for like 2 to 3 minutes just to get the broccoli soft and the chicken soft as well. Then we will add tomato paste or tomato puree. This is 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir fry this for a minute. Mix it really well so you can coat all the vegetables into the tomato paste. Now it's time to add the spices. I'm gonna add black pepper. These are Turkish red pepper flakes. You can use red chili flakes as well. You can just grind them and use them. Then a teaspoon of paprika powder or Kashmiri lal mirch. Some oregano, just half teaspoon, or you can use mixed dried herbs as well. Add salt. Add less salt because you can always adjust the salt later. Now stir fry the vegetables and chicken in the spices for a few seconds. Add tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of it. Mix it and now stir fry it for a few more seconds. Now it's time to add the cream. You can use full fat cream or low fat cream. It's all up to you. I'm going to use 1.5 cup of a full fat cream here. Now mix it and keep stirring it continuously until it comes to a boil. Once it's boiling, cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take the lid off. Mix it. You can see the consistency of the sauce here. It has thickened up. Now it's time to add your boiled pasta. After mixing your pasta in, you have to add the pasta water that we saved before when we were boiling the pasta. This is gonna cook the pasta and the chicken and vegetables. Cover it for 5 minutes, and after that your chicken pasta is ready. This recipe is such an amazing recipe. I can guarantee that you are gonna fall in love with pasta all over again once you try this recipe. You can always add some cheese. I just love it like this. Thank you for watching the recipe. I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments if you like it. I'm gonna see you in the next video.